All right, now some breaking news coming in, and look at those visuals on your screens. President Draupadi Murmu, they're meeting with the tri-services chiefs. This is after Operation Sindoor was successfully conducted. Operation Sindoor, which remains on hold for the moment after ceasefire was declared on Saturday. And do remember the president there, Draupadi Murmu, meeting with the tri-services chiefs. The president is the commander of the armed forces, and given that India has just seen, the conflict along the border, as well as the successful Operation Sindoor, in which terror camps, 9 of them in Pakistan, were destroyed. This led to aggression from Pakistan in terms of drones and missiles and artillery fire all along the border, following which then air bases were targeted. Very precision strikes were made on air bases inside of Pakistan, leading finally to that ceasefire announcement on Saturday. It has been the last few nights of calm ever since the ceasefire, though the first night there were some reports of drones once again being sighted and blasts being heard in Srinagar, but now it is calm for the moment. That ceasefire is holding, and locals are returning to their villages that they may have left at the time. So the president meeting with the tri-services chiefs. Remember, we've been seeing series of meetings taking place in Delhi. Even today, the Prime Minister held a CCS meeting on to really take a update on the security situation, given the ceasefire, given Operation Sindoor, and also to review intelligence inputs that are coming in, what the situation is along our border states. So now President Draupadi Murmu meeting with the tri-services chiefs, calling on her. One imagines there would be some sort of updating, bringing her up to speed on all that has taken place. The president is the commander of the armed forces, and the tri-services chiefs meeting with the president after the successful, I wouldn't call it completion yet, but a successful Operation Sindoor that has been put on hold for the moment as the ceasefire was announced between India and Pakistan. Let's go across to Shiv Arur now for more. And Shiv, after a few nights of ceasefire holding, the tri-services chiefs, they're meeting with President Draupadi Murmu.
That's correct. A very important meeting. These are the 3 armed forces chiefs, along with the chief of the defense staff, calling on President Draupadi Murmu. Remember that Draupadi Murmu also happens to be, as president, the supreme commander of the armed forces. So she is the titular head in many ways of the command structure of the armed forces. And this meeting is not merely ceremonial. The Chief of Defence Staff, General Anil Chauhan, Navy Chief Admiral D.K. Tripathi, Chief of the Air Staff, Air Chief Marshal Amarpreet Singh, and Chief of the Army Staff, General Upendra Dwivedi, are personally briefing the President on all aspects of what has just taken place. This is as per standard protocol. Whenever anything big happens pertaining to the military, it is something that is expected that the senior commanders or the chiefs themselves will call on President Murmu and brief her on any aspects of Operation Sindoor, the fallout of it, the Modi doctrine, what the new rules of engagement are, any further questions that she may have regarding the operations themselves will come up during this discussion. Also remember that in the wake of Operation Sindoor, there will be a lot of ceremonials that will take place later this year and early next year. So Rashtrapati Bhavan will be very, very plugged in, and the connect between the Armed Forces headquarters and Rashtrapati Bhavan for decorations, gallantry medals, etc. for a wide number of Armed Forces personnel is only to be expected. So Rashtrapati Bhavan, very, very important in the entire scheme of Armed Forces things right now.
That's right. And as you said, a briefing really for the president, given that the ceasefire was announced on Saturday. In fact, a sense of alert also, however, remains. And you've been at the border areas even now, so many days after the ceasefire announcement. Today as well, the Prime Minister held a meeting to review security, as well as a meeting with the cabinet. So given the state that we're in, it Operation Sindoor being on hold, but just, as you said, the president being briefed on all that has taken place. Shiv, we're completely out of time, so we'll have to end it there. Thanks so much for joining us. But there, just take a look at that visual on your screens, the Tri-Services Chiefs meeting and briefing the President, the Supreme Commander of the Armed Forces. We'll slip into a short break and return with all the updates.